I'd have to think everybody loves a good beer. But what about the craft beers in Colorado? Better yet, what about the craft beers in the mountain cities of Colorado? How are those breweries doing? Stay tuned. We're going to Idaho Springs. You'll see for yourself. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. That was a rough rapids. It was a rough first video because while I was getting dressed, I forgot my battery, so I really didn't get to tape all the rapids. I mean, I got about 15 minutes of footage, which was good, but I didn't get to tape everything, so I mean, it is what it is. Hence why we have a video in Idaho Springs. So this is the town of Idaho Springs. This is the wife, she's changed. This is the bathroom you go to when you need to do a pit stop. Come and go. It's definitely exactly what it means. Come and go. There's some brewery stuff down here. We're gonna check it out. Tesla charges around the corner. But I'm actually gonna execute on that thought, and I'll be right back. See what kind of craft brewery or beer we can get out here in good old Colorado. Cheers to our first adventure out here in good old Idaho Springs.
Whitewater rafting.
Whitewater rafting, baby. I'm stepping it up a notch next week. So, you guys do decide to come visit Tommyknockers. I mean, looks like they're brewing their beer back there. Can't beat that. That's one thing about Colorado. You have to stop at the breweries. That's what this city, this state, this is what it's about. Beer. You gotta get some beer. So definitely take advantage of it. Yeah.
3 weeks ago, this is what it looked like.
3 weeks ago.
Was it snowing?
May 30th.
What? Oh my.
Oh yeah, so this gentleman right here, what was your name?
Terry.
Terry? Terry said this place has been around 27 years. Local. I asked him if he walked, he said no. How you like living in the mountains?
Oh, I love it.
Love it. It's not too far from the city, it's not too close to the mountains.
And that was my objective.
Yeah.
I moved here from the DC area.
Yeah.
And I wanted to be close enough to Denver. If I had to commute, I could.
Yeah, you have an option.
But I wanted to be more of a mountain experience than living in Denver.
No, that's cool.
No, I just no shoe.
Look at it, it is totally coming down out there. Holy cow. We ain't going nowhere. Shay, we'll be here all day. Shay, we'll be here all day. Well, we ain't going out there. Look at that view. Holy cow.
Wow.
My lower deck.
Lower deck.
Oh, that's alcohol. Really? Yeah, that's awesome, dude. So, this is pretty cool. We're not overseas, we're not in Hawaii, and there's a waterfall. Like, straight ahead. It's pretty cool. So, we're going to our second spot. It's another beer spot. Of course, it's Colorado. It's called Westbound and Down. I'm down. Are you? Stay tuned. We're gonna see what's going on in here. Let's take a look, babe. I'm an IPA guy. Hey, I'll do the IPA. The Mosaic Passenger.
Awesome. They're changing that cut right now, and it's being. Should we get the mosaic going?
We're working on it.
Alright, that's half is being painted right now.
a pain. You guys are killing me right now. Okay, hold on.
I'm sorry.
Can't get the double IPA. I can't get the mosaic.
Things I'm really digging that we recently tapped, especially if you're an IPA guy.
Yeah.
How the West was won, where is it?
Where's that at?
Right there. All strata, which is typically like a hazy hop, so it's got like super tropical, like sweet, juicy notes, but then they brewed it like the West Coast, so you get this nice dry bitter end. It's really good.
Okay. I just wanted something that fruity IPA. Is that the only fruity IPA you have?
The Mosaic's the only fruity one right now. I'll grab you a taste, see what you think.
Okay, let's do it. So now we're at Westbound and Down or something like that. Westbound and Down, right? She's drunk. She had 2 beers. Woo. Anyways, the waiter was cool. I mean, we worked out those issues we had earlier, but check out this view though. Like, it isn't a wall. Like, this is the view. People got their dogs out. You know, it's like they just drive down here to take their dogs. I don't get it, but if you can, why not? Oh, they got cornhole over there too? Yeah. I can dig it. This is actually a cool place. I would recommend it. And there's a nice little bar inside too. There's a lot of people at the bar. I didn't want to take a bunch of video of it, but yeah. On next spot, barbecue. Let's do it. So we have arrived at our 3rd and final destination here in Idaho Springs. We're actually going to be going to this place that's right there, Smokin Barbecue. So if you're ever in Colorado and you think you can't go to the mountains and get some barbecue, apparently you can. They have brisket. Oops, sorry, sir. No worries. Yeah, we got brisket, ribs, pulled pork, and chicken. And they, from what we heard from the last place, it's Texas good. But then I look at the line. Babe, are you in line? Are you next? Is there like more than 200 people before you? 5 people. Well, we'll see. So we'll just kind of check in, see what's going on, and move on. You got ribs? So, barbecue is usually pricey, but that's a half pound. Yes, I ordered catfish at a barbecue restaurant. She's got the ribs over here. They're in there somewhere. But yeah, I just want to try something different. It's white, flaky, exactly how it should be. It means they're not using their oil that much. That's great. So I'll try it out, and pretty much this probably concludes our trip. So, hey, good trip. Want to be a vlogger over here. Good trip, babe? Cool.